Hey guys, I'm Angie with GamerEssential, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Astro A40 gaming headset. So I'm going to get started right now. The Astro A40 headset starts at about $250 and adds more depending on what kind of extras you want. I got the rechargeable battery pack for an extra $20, and I got the standard speaker tags. Alright. First we have this, take the space in this. One postcard. This is the USB chat cable for PS3. Costs a little extra to get. This is the rechargeable battery pack for the wireless mix amp. Alright, on top you have the actual mix amp itself. We have the headset itself. And we have the speaker tags. I'm going to open up the mix amp. It's the wireless one. Has a nice little design. Astro's known for that. For those who don't know, Astro company created the design for the Xbox 360 before they got into the headset game. Is this supposed to slide? No, I see. Just like that. More designs. Cool graffiti type thing. The mix amp itself. This is the main mix amp, and this is the wireless transceiver. The power supply for the mix amp, and the batteries and clip. It's very light. Has USB, headset, and game chat ports on the bottom. This is for power, for bass boost, chat, game volume dial, and master volume. And the bass, power, and Dolby Surround sound button. Ports in the back. Power. And this is the optical cable for the high quality sound. So these here are the batteries, and this right here is a clip to go on the back of the wireless end, so you can have it on your belt or whatever. This is the PC chat splitter, so that goes out both ways for PC gamers out there. A 3.5mm plug for Xbox chat, and the USB cable. Unboxing the actual headset itself. I have the VXR Red Edition. the cover. You can see this MLG embossed holographic sticker. It says red for the color of it and brown. I guess it comes inside the case. The instruction guide for all that you need. Case seems pretty strong and sturdy. It's very light in here too. MLG says on the zipper. Those are the headsets. Very flexible, soft, turn, swivel out. This is the breakaway cable. These are more cables for PC. The boom microphone here. Flexible. This is the foam tips for under the speaker tags. This blocks out sound and keeps sound in. Wait, more audio cables. We're going to be unboxing the speaker tags. These are the standard ones that come with the DXR edition. Very snug in there, alright. These two tags do not have a hole, and this one does have a hole for the mic. So you can have two on without a mic if you want to listen to the game volume or just music. You can have another one for audio if you want to talk. So that's the unboxing for these headsets. Stay tuned for more videos from GamerEssential.